What is refrigeration and what is air conditioning? Refrigeration may be defined as the process of achieving and maintaining a temperature below that of surroundings. The aim being to cool some product or space to the required temperature. One of the most important applications of refrigeration has been the preservation of food products by storing them at low temperatures. Refrigeration systems are also used extensively for providing thermal comfort to human beings by means of air conditioning. So what is refrigeration? Refrigeration আমরা সবাই জানি যে আমাদের বাড়িতে ম্যাক্সিমাম সবার বাড়িতে এখন রেফ্রিজারেশন আছে, রেফ্রিজারেশন সিস্টেম বা রেফ্রিজারেটর। বা আমরা যদি কোনো ডিপার্টমেন্টাল স্টোর বা শপিং মলে যাই সেখানে আমরা দেখতে পাই রেফ্রিজারেটর দেখতে পাই, যেখানে কি করি আমরা বিভিন্ন ফ্রুট প্রোডাক্ট, কোল্ড ড্রিঙ্কস, বিভিন্ন প্রসেস ফুড আমরা স্টোর করি। রেফ্রিজারেটরের কাজ কি? রেফ্রিজারেটরের কাজ হচ্ছে কোনো ক্লোজ স্পেস বা আমাদের যে রিকোয়ার্ড প্রোডাক্ট বা স্পেস আছে সেই প্রোডাক্ট বা স্পেসকে তার সারাউন্ডিং যে স্পেস আছে বা সারাউন্ডিং যে টেম্পারেচার আছে তার টেম্পারেচারের থেকে আমাদের রিকোয়ার্ড স্পেস বা রিকোয়ার্ড প্রোডাক্টের টেম্পারেচারকে সবসময় লো রাখা। এয়ার কন্ডিশনিং কি? এয়ার কন্ডিশনিং রেফ্রিজারেটরের একটা application. Now we have to know what is air conditioning. Air conditioning refers to the treatment of air so as to simultaneously control its temperature, moisture content, cleanliness, odor and circulation as required by occupants, a process or products in the space. Air conditioning কি? Air conditioning not only temperature কি control করে, এটা তার সঙ্গে কি করে এয়ারটাকে ট্রিটমেন্ট করে। কি ট্রিটমেন্ট করে? এয়ারের টেম্পারেচার কন্ট্রোল করে, ময়েশ্চার কন্টেন্ট কে কন্ট্রোল করে, ক্লিনলিনেস, এয়ারের অর্ডার এবং সার্কুলেশন কে মেইনটেইন করে। Next we have to know what is the difference between refrigeration and air conditioning. What is air conditioning? In case of air conditioning, it is the process of removing heat and moisture from the interior of an occupied space to improve the comfort of occupants. And what is refrigeration? In case of refrigeration, it is a process of removing heat from a low temperature reservoir and transferring it to a high temperature reservoir. তাহলে এয়ার কন্ডিশনিং কি করে? এয়ার কন্ডিশনিং হিট এবং ময়েশ্চারকে রিমুভ করে সে অকুপাইড স্পেসে হিউম্যান কমফোর্টকে বাড়ায়। আর রেফ্রিজারেশন কি করে? রেফ্রিজারেশন কোনো রিকোয়ার্ড স্পেস যেখানে আমরা কোনো কিছু প্রিজার্ভ করব তার যে লো টেম্পারেচার সেটাকে মেইনটেইন করে। বা এটাকে আমরা তখন বলি লো টেম্পারেচার রিজার্ভার বা সিঙ্ক। এখান থেকে আমরা কি করছি? হিটটাকে ট্রান্সফার করছি কোথায়? না হাই টেম্পারেচার বা সারাউন্ডিং এ। এটাকে আমরা বলে হাই টেম্পারেচার রিজার্ভার বা সোর্স। সিঙ্ক থেকে সোর্সে আমরা টেম্পারেচারটাকে মেইনটেইন করছি বা সিঙ্ক থেকে সোর্সে আমরা কি করছি? হিট ফ্লোটাকে মেইনটেইন করছি। এই রেফ্রিজারেশন কি? ইট ইজ দ্য অ্যাপ্লিকেশন অফ সেকেন্ড ল অফ থার্মোডাইনামিক্স। নাও we have to know what are the other differences between air conditioning and refrigeration. The other differences are, in case of refrigeration process we use gas tube system operated. In case of air conditioning we use the chemical method. In case of refrigeration, here a small volume of air is used, or in case of air conditioning a large volume of air is used. The refrigeration system maintains the temperature around -20 degrees Celsius to 4 degrees Celsius. In case of air conditioning we can maintain a temperature range from 16 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. Refrigeration cools down a small volume of space. On the other hand, air conditioning cools large volume of space. Refrigeration only lower down the temperature, but air conditioning maintains the environment, humidity, etc. So here we have understood the differences between air conditioning and refrigeration. Next we have to know the application of refrigeration and air conditioning. What are the applications? The major applications of refrigeration can be grouped into the following four major equally important areas. One is food processing, preservation and distribution. We know in food processing industry we used to store fruit, vegetable, fish, meat, dairy products, butter, milk, curd, etc. We can use in chemical and process industries like separation of gases, condensation of gases, dehumidification of air, solidification of solute, etc. We can use refrigeration system in special applications like cold treatment of metal, in medical application, in ice skating ring, in construction. In construction we use, you can use refrigeration system for manufacturing of ice. And next case is for comfort air conditioning we use the refrigeration system. Now we have to know what are the application of air conditioning system. The application of air conditioning systems are industrial air conditioning and comfort air conditioning. Now we have to know what are the classification of refrigeration system. The classification of refrigeration system is air refrigeration system, vapor compression refrigeration system, and vapor absorption refrigeration system. We have to study in detail these various types of refrigeration system, their working principle, their application in details. Now, what are the classification of air conditioning system? According to the purpose, we can classify the air conditioning system into two categories. One is comfort air conditioning, another is industrial air conditioning. What is industrial air conditioning? The air conditioning creates, controls and maintains such as environment inside the conditioned space that it should best to the needs of the industry. In case of comfort air conditioning, it's aimed at giving maximum human comfort to occupants or user of the conditioned space. According to the season of year, we can classify the air conditioning system into winter air conditioning, summer air conditioning and year-round air conditioning. We use winter air conditioning in case of winter season, summer air conditioning in case of summer season, and year-round air conditioning for all weather air conditioning system. Next, we have to know air refrigeration system in details. Here you can see this is a diagram of Bell-Coleman refrigerator. We will discuss this Bell-Coleman refrigerator in details later. Air refrigeration system belongs to the general class of gas cycle refrigeration system. Here air is used as working fluid. It finds application in aircraft cabin cooling and in liquefaction of various gases. So this is a schematic diagram of Bell-Coleman refrigerator. I have previously told. What are the components? The components are Bell-Coleman refrigeration system is also known as Joule or reverse Brayton cycle. Here air is used as working fluid. This is also known as modification of reverse Carnot cycle. Now we have to study in details the Bell-Coleman cycle. This is PV diagram. This is TS diagram. The process 1 to 2 is isentropic compression. Process 2 to 3 is constant pressure cooling process. Process 3 through 4 is isentropic expansion. Process 4 to 1 is constant pressure expansion. Here you can see the TS diagram also. 1 to 2 isentropic compression, 2 to 3 constant pressure cooling, 3 to 4 isentropic expansion, and 4 to 1 is constant pressure expansion. The process 1 to 2 is isentropic compression in compressor, 2 to 3 is constant pressure cooling in the cooler, 3 to 4 is isentropic expansion in the expansion device, and 4 to 1 is refrigeration effect. We have to study in details the Bell-Coleman cycle. We have to find the equation of coefficient of performance. We know coefficient of performance is the net refrigeration effect divided by net work supplied. So we have to find the work done per kg during the cycle. We know what COP. The COP is heat absorbed by work done, that is heat absorbed is Cp T1 minus T4 minus Cp T2 minus T3 minus Cp T1 minus T4. So we can neglect Cp. We can write T1 minus T4 equals to T2 minus T3 minus T1 minus T4. We can also write T4 into T1 minus T4 minus 1. In the bottom we can take T3. So T3 into T2 minus T3 minus 1 minus we can take T4. That is T4 into T1 minus T4 minus 1. For isentropic compression, that is for process 1 to 2, we know T2 by T1 equals to P2 by P1 whole to the power gamma minus 1 by gamma, where gamma is Cp by Cv. For isentropic expansion, we know 3 to 4, that is T3 by T4 equals to P3 by P4 whole to the power gamma minus 1 by gamma. Since the process 2 to 3 and process 4 to 1, these are constant pressure process, so we can write P2 equal to P3 and here P2 equal to P3, here P1 equal to P4. So we can write here P2 equal to P3 and P1 equals to P4. So therefore T2 by T1 equals to T3 by T4 or T2 by T3 equals to T1 by T4. So substituting this in the equation, we can find COP equals to T4 by T3 minus T4. So 1 by T3 by T4 minus 1. In case of T3 by T4, we can write P3 by P4 whole to the power gamma minus 1 by gamma minus 1, or we can write, in case of P3 by P4, we can write P2 by P1. So we can write 1 by P2 by P1 whole to the power gamma minus 1 by gamma minus 1. So COP is 1 by Rp to the power gamma minus 1 by gamma minus 1. So here we found the COP, that is coefficient of performance of Bell-Coleman cycle or Bell-Coleman refrigerator. We know COP equals to net refrigeration effect by net work supplied. And what is Rp? Rp is the compression or expansion ratio, that is P2 by P1, which is equal to P3 by P4. We have already discussed that. Process 2 to 3 and process 4 to 1 are constant pressure process. So here P2 by P1 equals to P3 by P4. That's all for today's class. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask me anything. If you like the video, please share with your friends. For more updates, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.